Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, Anthony here, looking at the pound dollar on the 4-hour time frame. What I'll do, I'll just quickly go out and show you what I marked up. The weekly here, if we have a look left, in fact what I will do is have a look. See this low over here and this low here, this high here, this high, this high. So multiple touches on the weekly back through. Now we are trading under this level. So we've got this weekly resistance. Have a look at the daily. I've just picked up this candle close, candle open here on the daily. But if we look left, we've got this high here. We've got these lows over here. We can see that this coincides pretty much with this weekly level, candle body low, candle I should say wick low over here. So weekly and daily resistance, it has, I think, wicked through this, has it? Oh, back over here. Okay, so we're trading back up into it now. We've got this interesting setup. If we have a look at this on the 4-hour, I'm always interested in where you see this kind of thing here. We've got this drive, another drive here. So we could say we have a more or less a 3-drive setup, and we're trading into a key level. What I'm doing really is just building an argument for a short opportunity. It's not an easy trade at the moment. You know, we've had this downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, then we get this break of structure, bullish, and then higher lows, this higher high, higher low. So this is now a bullish trend on the 4H. I do like the fact that this is traded into resistance here, this balance area, and we could see, you know, given that we have this 3-drive pattern, we could see somewhat of a retrace where we could pull our fib from this low to the high. That's one idea. And I'm always looking for the pullback. I mean, it could be a shallow pullback, but even that would give us a nice day trade. I could even tighten this fib up, take it from this low here. And it's similar. You know, we've got this orange zone. Given that this is this break of structure bullish, now higher low, so I'm calling this a bullish trend. You know, a retrace back down into this orange zone could be okay. So that's my idea for a short at the moment. What else can I say about this? It's pretty straightforward. We can go down to the lower time frame. Oh, by the way, guys, before I forget, check out the links below and have a look at the We Trade Your Forex account. That might be interesting for you. You can connect your Forex account to ours if that's something of interest. And also we have our free Telegram group you're welcome to join. So this is the 15-minute. Let's just take it to a 30. And I'm looking for this retrace. Okay, so that would be my entry point, say market entry here. And I would be inclined to set up another pending sell order up in here in case it spikes up. This one I would go something like that. And my TP, well, you know, just around this high, something like that. So that would be TP1. Take most of my position off there. And then if you want to trail the rest, you've got these levels here to consider for targets, you know, and then down in here. Just having a look left, looking at these levels down in here, something like that. That's my idea for today, guys. The pound dollar, I think we could see a retrace, and that could be an opportunity. What else can I say about this? I think that's about it, really. Yeah, we do have this imbalance here that it could look to fill. Target 1 at the high of this imbalance. Yeah, well, it makes a lot of sense. Okay, guys, that's it. The pound dollar. Hope you have a great day. Safe trading. See you in the next one.